Hello friends, in this video, I will guide you through how to transfer stocks from Robinhood to another broker by first opening your browser and going to the E-Trade website where you need to start the transfer from E-Trade, not Robinhood. If you don't already have an E-Trade account, then hover over Account Types and select Open a Brokerage Account. Then follow the steps to create your account. Once your E-Trade account is ready, go to the Fund My Account section and look for the Transfer an Account option to move your assets from another financial institution. Next, enter the required details, including the name of the delivering institution, Robinhood, your Robinhood account number, and the account registration to confirm ownership. After filling in the information, click Transfer Now and sign in. To continue, the transfer request will then be processed automatically. In most cases, the transfer can take about 10 or more business days to complete, and review the transfer details before submitting your request. Thank you for watching Quick Tweak.